Welcome back to our video series on the CMS-0300 Cavitation Monitoring Sensor by Onda Corporation. In today's video, we're diving into how you can automate your cavitation monitoring for better accuracy. We'll walk you through a simple setup using the MCT-1200, CMS-0300, a PLC, and an HMI, all within your own network. Let's kick things off by setting up the MCT-1200 to communicate with your PLC. First, we'll manually enter a static IP address. Just tap the menu icon to open up the menu options. Then head to Maintenance and select Set Network. Here, choose Static IP and start entering the IP address assigned to your PLC. Once you're done, hit the back icon, and like magic, your settings will save automatically to the MCT-1200, and you're all set to connect your unit to the network. In this example, we're connecting our MCT-1200 to the network. We'll do this by plugging an Ethernet cable from the MCT-1200 into the same network switch that our PLC is connected to. Simple as that. Onda is pleased to share that the MCT-1200 was designed to be compatible with the Modbus protocol, a widely recognized protocol used in industrial production. This can happen via serial lines, Ethernet, or even wireless connections. Set up your PLC software. From the drop-down menu, select Modbus TCP/IP. Enter the IP address we used earlier at the MCT-1200. Keep the port number and slave ID as they are. Change your function code to read holding registers. For the addressing type, use hex addressing and start the slave address at 0 hex. Request 30 data packets from the number of master addresses. The starting master address will depend on your specific PLC you're using. And that's it, you're all set. Once you've connected multiple MCT-1200s to the PLC, all that consolidated data can be sent straight from the PLC to your automation software. This setup allows you to monitor and control the process through SPC analysis. Now you've got a continuous monitoring system in place to spot any real-time excursions as they happen. As always, please feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.